Hi guys, if you want to make money on Webull and you're not exactly sure where to start, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we'll start off with the most obvious one, stock trading. So investing in individual stocks is a foundational strategy. Webull provides commission-free trading, allowing you to buy and sell stocks without additional fees. Start by researching companies you're interested in and consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. That diversification is very important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Next up is exchange traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are a collection of securities that track specific indices or sectors. They offer diversification and are suitable for beginners due to their low risk compared to individual stocks, for instance. Webull's platform includes a variety of ETFs to choose from. Next up, we have dividend investing. So some stocks and ETFs pay dividends, providing a steady income. Reinvesting these dividends can compound your returns over time. Webull allows you to track and manage dividend paying investments effectively. Next up, we have paper trading. So before committing any real money, utilize Webull's paper trading feature to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. This tool helps you understand market dynamics and refine your trading approach without financial exposure. Sticking to the whole before you make the money or invest the money, Webull offers a wealth of educational materials including articles, tutorials, and webinars. Engaging with these resources can enhance your understanding of market trends and investment strategies, empowering you to make informed decisions. And then we have the referral program. So participate in Webull's referral program to earn free stocks by inviting friends to join the platform. This initiative provides an opportunity to grow your portfolio with minimal effort. So to put it all in order or perspective maybe, start small, diversify, stay informed, and set goals. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.